Winter time is upon us, which means your skin is probably in need for some care. Exfoliation is so important during the winter months as it can help replenish and moisturize the skin. Thus, we wanted to share with you today how to make this sugar cube exfoliating soap. Plus, it's scented with P&J Vanilla Bean. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. We hope your skin is feeling silky soft after using your new sugar cube soap. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can make more skincare recipes this winter.